Hi there, students. Something is rotten in the state of Denmark, or something is rotten in Denmark. Okay, this is a phrase to say that there's something suspicious going on. There's something not right. It smells fishy. It smells bad. There's something going on that shouldn't be happening. So the government knew about this problem the whole time, yet they chose to do nothing about it. Something is rotten in the state of Denmark. John's being incredibly nice to me all of a sudden. Something's rotten in Denmark. It's fishy, yeah? Up to something. Okay, so yeah, maybe a policeman is investigating a case, and he thinks it's an inside job. Somebody from the company did the crime. He might say something is rotten in Denmark. There's a smell of corruption. Yeah, something just isn't right about this. Yeah, everything is not as it seems. Something is seriously amiss. You suspect somebody's motives for doing something or for not doing something. Every time a robbery takes place, this security guard is on duty. Something's rotten in Denmark. Something's just not quite right. The projects from this government department always run over budget, but much more than normal. Something's rotten in Denmark. Somebody's keeping the money. Somebody's getting the money. Okay, so if you think that something's fishy, something's not right, something is rotten in Denmark. This is a great phrase to use. Notice this phrase directly comes from Hamlet. Yeah, the play by Shakespeare. And this was a line spoken by Marcellus in Hamlet. Okay, so something is rotten in Denmark. Something's happening that everything is not as everybody pretends it should be. Okay, so you're suspicious about something. You're suspicious about somebody's motives for doing things. John's been has arrived early at work every day for the last 2 weeks, and he's always late. Something's rotten in Denmark. He's up to something. He's planning something. He's doing something he shouldn't be doing. It just doesn't smell right. It doesn't feel right. Okay, it's a bit fishy. Formality. I think I'm going to give it a 6 in formality. I think you could use it in an informal conversation, although I would probably say something smells fishy. It's just not right. There's something up. Yeah, they're up to something. I think maybe a semi-formal conversation, it would sound great in a semi-formal writing or something like that. Use it very formally as well. Okay, so a nice Shakespeare quotation for you. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Something is rotten in the state of Denmark.